I've had my G85 for a while now, and it's worked out great so far. But I was unlucky that the hand grip started to come off. I haven't mistreated it, but as you can see, some of the glue isn't holding well anymore. It's spent most of its time indoors, but when I have taken it out, I've never had a neck strap on it. The grip on this camera is fantastic, so I've just carried it in one hand, and it's a light camera as well, so that helps. I think with hot summer days and the heat from my hands, it must have affected the glue on the grip. With the direct added heat plus the camera hanging off my hand, that probably made it stretch out. Yeah, that's probably it. So let's fix it. I'm not sure why I didn't do it before. Probably because it wasn't that big of a bother. Actually, I did contact Panasonic, and they wanted me to send the entire camera to get it checked out. At the time, it was my only camera, and who knows how much the bill was going to be, so I never sent it in. They don't sell replacement parts on their website, but there's always eBay. After a quick search, I found the actual replacement part for a small price. I was excited, placed the order, and waited for it to arrive all the way from China. The reason I put this video up is because I couldn't find anyone going through this, and that's why I like YouTube. It's full of useful videos. This replacement grip is straightforward. You just have to remove the old one, clean the surface where it was glued before with some alcohol. I used alcohol wipes. Lastly, just stick the replacement grip very carefully. I tried doing it from inward to outward to try and avoid having any bubbles or missing a spot. Awesome, now the camera is back to feeling like in new condition. If you found this video useful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks.